And to Kano State, where the government has withdrawn the application it filed urging the court to set aside its judgment delivered in respect to the Tiamin Rice Production company. It has complied with the order made by the court and reopened the factory. TVC News Judiciary Correspondent Celestina Iria reports.
On 22nd May 2020, the Inspector General of Police and the Attorney General of Kano State obeyed a federal high court judgment which ordered the unsealing of a Tiamin Rice company sealed up for over 2 months. The order for unsealing of the company issued by Justice Okun Abang was said to have been fully complied with and the rice mill handed over to the owners. The Tiamin Rice Mill and 2 others had dragged the IGP, the NCDC, Kano State Commissioner of Police and Kano State government before the court, seeking the enforcement of their fundamental rights. They had complained of a lawful closure of the rice mill without any court order. Although Justice Abang had ordered the respondents to appear before him to defend their actions, none of them obeyed the court order and were not represented by lawyers despite being served hearing notice. At the resumed sitting, counsel to Kano State government Yunus Usman told the court that the application filed for a stay of the order had been withdrawn because it has obeyed the directives of the court. He also said an appeal has been filed against the judgment at the Court of Appeal. Justice Okun Abang in a bench ruling held that he lacked the jurisdiction to continue with the matter since it was now at the Court of Appeal.
The order was served. The IG, who I'm proud of, with the consent of the governor of Kano State, said they should reopen the rice mill, even though we still have a motion for stay pending. They say they must obey the court order. And that is what had been done. That was around 11 p.m.
His oath of office as the Inspector General of Police and his respect for the rule of law, that is expected of him. And that's what we expect to hear from him and about him. That is a man who respects the Constitution, who obeys court orders. That is what we are telling the whole world, that the President Inspector General of Police is a man who obeys the law and orders of court.
The state government had claimed that Tiamin Rice Production Company was located close to a COVID-19 isolation center and the fumes from the company was affecting the COVID-19 patient. That was the reason it had to seal up the company. Celestina Iria, TVC News, Abuja.